Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to enable and disable agent mode in Lovable.dev, okay? Now, the first thing I want you to do is just open up any project and then open up the project settings. So you can click on this drop down right here next to the name of your project and then click here on settings, okay? Now on this project settings page, here on the left hand panel, you should see account and you should see labs, right? I want you to navigate to the lab section and let's look at a legacy mode. So what legacy mode does, if we toggle this one on, it will basically effectively disable the agent feature, so the agent mode, and it would revert it to the older system. So you just toggle this one on. There you go. That has a disabled agent mode, and to re-enable it, just toggle legacy mode back off. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.